Hello friends, this is an unboxing video of Nubia Z70 Ultra. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. Nubia recently launched its Z70 Ultra edition. The phone comes with a 144Hz refresh rate, 6.85-inch touchscreen display. Nubia Z70 Ultra is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It comes with 12GB of RAM. The Nubia Z70 Ultra runs Android 15 and is powered by a 6150 mAh battery. The Nubia Z70 Ultra supports 80-watt fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Nubia Z70 Ultra on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera. It has a single front selfie camera setup featuring a 16 megapixel sensor. The Nubia Z70 Ultra runs Nebula A iOS, is based on Android 15 and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. It was launched in Amber, Black Seal, Starry Sky Collector's Edition color. It features an IP69 rating for dust and water protection. Connectivity options on the phone include Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, interfered, USB OTG and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include in-display fingerprint sensors. Friends, that's all about Nubia Z70 Ultra. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.